Are you someone who loves limoncello but wants to be careful about alcohol consumption? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and I'm sharing one of the most amazing lemonades that tastes like limoncello and is kissed with a hint of mint. What makes this lemonade so special is the use of both the lemon peels and the juice. By peeling the zest and placing it, along with fresh mint, into a container with sugar for several hours pulls out the immensely flavorful oils. This technique is what gives the lemonade the limoncello-like quality. When making this lemonade, I let the lemon peel mixture sit for about 20 hours. However, 12 hours is more than enough time to yield a flavorful lemonade. Once the zest has had a chance to marinate, transfer to a saucepan with about 2 cups of water. Place over medium-high heat just until the sugar melts. There is no need to boil. As a side note, if you use this technique with equal parts sugar and water, you will end up with a bright and citrusy simple syrup that is great for cocktails, but I digress. Once the sugar has melted, strain the mixture through a fine mesh colander and add the remaining water. At this point, let the lemon mixture cool to room temperature before juicing the lemons from the previous day. One of the best tips I can give, if you love lemons, invest in a quality lemon juicer like the one shown here. It makes the act of juicing citrus very simple. Once all the ingredients are combined, stir well, cover, and chill until icy cold. Serve over ice and garnish with fresh mint and lemon slices. Within the recipe post, I give fun variations such as combining this lemonade with muddled berries, giving you even more ways to enjoy this summertime classic. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.